Hi students, welcome back to the maths class. Now we are going to discuss the chapter understanding the quadrilaterals and exercise 3.3. Okay, so here I have written third question of exercise 3.3. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if there are three questions under that one? So question is, there is a quadrilateral ABCD is given and under the given conditions is it a parallelogram? So we learned about what is meant by a parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are equal and opposite angles also equal. These are the main concept of parallelogram. So if you want to say about the definition of parallelogram, you can say a quadrilateral in which opposites are parallel. That is enough. But we can say what are the other properties? A parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposites are equal and opposite angles are equal and sum of the adjacent angle equal to 180 degree. Okay. So whenever you do any problem related to a parallelogram, you have to keep all these things in your brain. Okay. Now you can see here, first question, angle D plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Angle D and angle B are the opposite angles of a parallelogram. Its sum is given 180. In this condition, this quadrilateral be a parallelogram or not? So we can understand that angle D plus angle B is 180 degrees given. We know angle B and angle D should be equal. So it is not possible always. But in the case of if angle equal to in a quadrilateral, if angle equal to 90 degree, suppose this angle equal to 90 degree and this is also 90 degree, then we can say both are equal, same time its sum is also equal to 180 degree. In that condition, we can take that one, but it is not always correct. Understand? Okay. Now we are going to think about the second question. This is a quadrilateral. We have to think it's a quadrilateral and we have to prove by giving the conditions. We have to prove is it a parallelogram. Okay. AB equal to DC equal to 8 centimeter. Here AB equal to, I will mark here 8 centimeter and CD equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. Then AD equal to 4 centimeter and BC equal to 4.4 centimeter. We know the property of parallelogram. In a quadrilateral, opposite sides are equal. Here you can see one condition agreed, but AD not equal to BC. Therefore, we can say this is not a parallelogram. Okay. Now we will think about the third question. Angle A equal to 70 degree, angle C equal to 65 degree. So you think this is a quadrilateral in which one of the angle A equal to 70 degree, angle C equal to 65 degree. So angle A and angle C are opposite angles. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. But here in the given question, angle A 70 degree, angle C 65 degree. Both are not equal. So in this condition also, it is not a parallelogram. Okay. Now we are moving to the fifth question. Here the question says the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find each angle. The adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find each angle. So I have drawn a parallelogram here AB, CD. So we are going to, if the ratios are given, we have to convert that ratios in another form. That is, let one angle be 3x because ratios are 3:2. So one of the adjacent angles we will take, one angle we will take, that is equal to 3x. We will consider this one as 3x. And the adjacent angle B, either it may be this one or this one. We select the adjacent angle B 2x. I selected here, this is 2x. As per the question. Question saying the adjacent angles of a parallelogram in the ratio 3:2. So one angle we have taken as 3x and another angle we taken, that is the adjacent angle, we have taken as 2x. Okay. Then we know sum of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram equal to 180 degree. That I have written here. Sum of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram, that is equal to 180 degree. Now what are the adjacent angles we have taken here? That is 3x and 2x. So 3x plus 2x equal to 180 we have substituted. So what is 3x plus 2x? That is 5x. 5x equal to 180 degree. Therefore x equal to 180 by 5. That is equal to 360 degree. So we got x equal to 36 degree. So actually what are our angles? Angles are 3x. So one angle is 3x. That is 3 into 36 degree. That is equal to 108 degree. And the adjacent angle be taken as 2x. Therefore, the adjacent angle equal to 2 into 36 equal to 72 degree. So, just you add this thing 108 plus 72, that is equal to 180 degree. So, if you know one angle, the opposite angle will be equal. So, one angle will be, another angle will be 108 degree. And for 72 degree, the opposite angle will be 70 degree. So, we can find out all the angles of a parallelogram. Okay.